GIS stands for Geographic Information System, a computer system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present all types of geographical data. 1. GIS connects data to a map. 2. Integrating location data, where things are, with all types of descriptive information. What things are like there. It enables users to create interactive maps. 2. Perform spatial analysis, and manage data related to geographic locations. GIS has wide-ranging applications in various fields such as cartography, urban planning, demography, agriculture, geology, forestry, and environmental protection. GIS is typically composed of several components, including hardware and software systems, data collection methods, geospatial data analysis and management techniques, and cartographic design principles. Some of the popular GIS software systems include ArcGIS, QGIS, and MapInfo. Overall, GIS is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the way we acquire, organize, and analyze spatial data, making it a vital component in many fields today.